Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do another unboxing today. We just got back from our trip. About a day and a half ago, we were on a 2.5-week trip to go see our kids and grandkids. We had an absolutely fantastic time. It is good to be home. Getting back into routine. Today is our first day, kind of full school back into routine, so I'm excited to get more things going. And I'm excited to do this third box of 4 boxes that I got before the trip. This is women's clothes, so I'm excited to dive into this. I'm Sandra. I'm at Poshmark _7 on Poshmark, and I'm also on Instagram and obviously YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. Please like and subscribe. We're doing an unboxing today. We also have some other videos coming up. I'm going to be showing you some of how I do things on Poshmark here coming up soon. I've just been doing a lot of research on great people who have been doing this as a reseller for a while, and just getting such great tips that I just have been helping me to refine and tune my listings, which has been improving my sales. I'm so excited, and I'm going to be sharing those items with you and those tips with you. So stay tuned for those. Let's dive into this box together, shall we? These are all new with tags. As you can see, it's a Bulq.com box. Again, I have another one, but right now we're just going to do this. For today, we'll do a different unboxing for that one. We're going to dive into these. These are all new with tags, like I said. Wow, I really love this color. I've got a few of these here. This is a Wild Fable. Really pretty. These are all mostly going to be winter clothes, maybe some summer. We'll see what we have as we dive in here. I'm just going to have a seat, you guys, and get comfortable. We've got 3 of these different sizes, an extra large. These are women's. There may be some children's in here too, we shall see. So there's that one. That's an extra large. And yep, we've got some kids in here. This is fantastic. So we've got a set of 12-month pajamas for boys. So I gotta be able to talk. So super cute. Really, again, just trying to get back into routine, guys. It takes a while for not only your body but your mind to get back into swinging things. So I appreciate your patience with me today. This is a women's top. Yeah, there we go. Cute women's top. This is a size. Let me see here. You have to look at the tag because I'm not seeing it there. An extra large. And this is also a Wild Fable. That's super cute. We've got here a medium. And this is a original use boys top shirt for school coming up. Here's another one. School's already in swing here where we live, and I know that with Labor Day, which is hard to believe, Labor Day is literally just around the corner where our kids live. Some of our kids live. Their school starts up after Labor Day, so school is in full swing here. It's been in full swing for almost 2 weeks now, which is crazy to me. Here's some great kids jeans. These are girls, I believe. That has different prints on them. This is the Cat and Jack. It's a jegging. And that's a size 7. So those will be going up. I've got a few more things to list from the box before vacation. I did a whole bunch the week before we left. I've got a few things left, so we'll get those listed in the next few days, and then these will start going up as well. Been super busy. I'm also super excited. I've got some great news to share. I've got some jewelry coming. I'm going to be starting up a boutique, which I'm super excited about on Poshmark. So that is coming. I will keep you posted on that. A new day. This is a size large t-shirt. So that's a women's t-shirt. Another really pretty sweater. I'm so excited about sweater season. You get to bundle up, which is awesome. This is the Wild Fable extra large. It's a pretty sweater. I've got some more leggings. I've already got some in-motion leggings on my site, so please feel free to check these out. This is another ombre one. The last one was purple. This is a purple, kind of a pink one. What do we have here? Universal thread. This is a, where's the size? Extra small. I'm going to presume this is a women's top. Doesn't look like a boy's top. That's some really great stuff here, you guys. I'm super excited. And we've got a DVD. This is a larger size. This is a 4X. We've got some great large sizes, extra large sizes on Poshmark for us guys, for ladies and gents. So this is a great top. This is 4X. Another really pretty sweater. This is just like that mint one we just showed, but this one's pink. This is a large. That is a really pretty color. Another one of those boys tops shirts, so we'll put that in with those. Let me see. This is a Wild Fable, another top. These almost look like workout tops, but they're not. They're just short, cropped for girls probably. So that's perfect. Oh my goodness, camo. Yay, I love camo. This is a universal thread, size 18. Women's capri. That's awesome. And we got a pair of sweatpants. These are Knox Rose, another double extra large, ladies. So there's that. These are soft, they're velvet. These are really soft. I bet those are so super cozy. It'd be great. You know what? I'm looking forward to bundling up fireplace. Don't you just love fireplaces and bundling up in cozy clothes with a cup of hot chocolate or coffee or whatever you like? This is a really cute sweater. I'm just looking forward to those days. I'm sorry, I'm just jumping all over the place. Pardon me. Another really cute sweater. This one has some ruffles on it. Wild Fable, size medium. And we've got a lot of stuff in here. This is so great. A t-shirt. This is a 1X, again, for the ladies. This has the gathering in the bottom, which is so popular now. The twist gather in the bottom. That is becoming so popular. I got a pair of these. I gave them to my daughter for their kids. These are so cute. It says bear on them. These are little slippers for kids. These are 0 to 3 months. Super cute. Another great sweater. These colors are so pretty. This is another Wild Fable, size medium. And another Wild Fable, really pretty red sweater in that same style, but red that we had before. This looks like a top. This is Knox Rose. This is a really pretty dress, actually. It looks like a dress. Yep, it's a dress. Size, what size do we have? Medium. That's really pretty. Lots of great stuff in here, you guys. Another one of those sweaters. Oh, no, this is a different one. This is Knox Rose. Size large. Okay, a lot of great winter stuff coming up. Let me see what we have here. Okay, a new day, another top, women's top. What is this? This is a top. It's a blouse. Who, what, where? This is a size. Sometimes it's hard to find the size. Another, so this is double extra large. So more double extra large, ladies. Some black camel leggings. What size are these? These are size small by Knox Rose. Those are awesome, you guys. These are perfect for even school. They're not, you could probably work out in these if you want, but these look like they're also great pants because of the fabric for school. Another one of those great sweaters with the really pretty colors. Got a few more things. Got a bra here. Oh, is this a bra or a bathing suit? It's a swimsuit, swim top. So if you guys are going on vacation, a lot of people go on vacation during the winter season, which I think is so great. So that's that. This is a size, let me take a look at the size here if I can catch it really quick. This is a 34B. And I did say, I want to just swim bikini top. Yep, it's a bikini top. So if you're going on vacation during the winter season, we'd still have some summer things available, by the way. Like I said, people list even summer stuff during the winter season because a lot of people, like I just said, go on vacation during the winter season to get away from the cold weather. A lot of people do that. So we still have some great summer things up there. This is a small universal thread tank top and a pretty red something. What do we have here? This is a top with gathering in the front. That's really pretty. This is a Wild Fable, double extra large. Got some great larger sizes here. Really pretty sweater with the gathered top. It's got ruffle on the top. This is super pretty. This is a size large. Again, this one is also Wild Fable. Got a few more things here, guys. And this one is a t-shirt for original use. This is an extra large. So we've got some larger sizes for men again. And a bikini bottom, I'm presuming. Yep, swim bottom. So if these are the same size, I may put that with the swim top. And we'll sell those together. So just keep tuned on that. And this is a shaped waist, breathable, high waist short for under clothes for ladies. Okay, so we'll put that on there. This is a size, what size is this? Oh, and it's got the size large. Yep. That way it doesn't, it's got the sticky so it doesn't fall down. This, yeah, so we'll get that listed. And that's it for that box, you guys. We will do the other box either at the end of this week or beginning of next week. I've got the jewelry coming in probably a couple weeks. I ordered it last week and it's going to take a few weeks to get here. So super excited about that. Like I said, stay tuned on all of that. And guys, thank you for joining us. I'm so glad you did. This is Monday, so have a really, really great week, and we'll see you guys and talk to you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.